Hi. So now let us see another example for the irreducible set actually. So this is what the given set of FDs or a table which have W, X, Y, Z attributes. Okay. So what is the step one? We must have RHS side only one attribute. So let us have that one first of all. So X derives W and WZ derives X, WZ derives Y. So from the second FD. And third FD, if you see, Y derives W, Y derives X, Y derives Z. Now from this, so what we have to do, this is what the step one. In the step two, what we have to do actually, take every set, every FD, whether it is essential or not, we just find out. If it is essential, we will keep it. If it is not essential, then we will simply remove it actually. So we will eliminate this in the set. So for that, what we have to do, so let us find the X closer. So from the remaining, if I am able to generate EW, then this you can eliminate actually. So that is what, if I find the X closer, what I am getting. So if I find X closer, I am getting only X. Is it or not? So that means we are unable to generate W. So this is essential. Got it. Now let us go for this next FD, WZ closer. Even from the WZ closer, we must generate X. And without having this, let us see. So without having that, WZ here only there. So WZ and it is generating Y. Now you can see it is generating Y, fine. Y generating W, okay, already there. Y generating X. And Y generating, of course, Z already there. So now if you observe, we need X actually in the result. Yes, X we are able to generate. So that meaning is what? Without having this also, we can generate X actually. You can determine X actually. So this is not essential FD. Okay. Now same way, let us come for the third FD. So WZ closer. So of course, so WZ and then we must generate Y if possible. So WZ generating X. So let us note down that. And the X generating W already there. So to generate Y actually, with these three attributes, it is not possible actually. So that means we are unable to generate RHS part Y. So what we will do, this is essential, that meaning is. Okay, now let us come for the next one, Y closer. So Y closer, W must generate. So only with Y closer, Y is generating X, Y generating Z, but we need a W. So let us come here, X generating W. So you see here, X generating W, that is what RHS of this FD, right? Current FD. That means we are able to generate without having this FD also. So this is not essential again. So that you can skip, eliminate. Next, come for this one. Again, Y closer without having that. So without having this FD, we must generate X. So let us see, Y generate Y, of course, Y. And here Y generating W, here Y generating Z. Now WZ generating X. So that you note down actually. So what is our understanding? So it is generating X. So this is also not required. Got it. Now let us go for the Y closer, last FD, this one. So here, Y generating, you can see directly Y generating WX, note down those two. And X generating W already there, WZ, because Z is not there. This is what the final. But we are unable to generate Z actually. So this is also essential. So that is the first thing. So all LHS closer you just try to find out. If you are able to generate RHS for that FD without considering that particular FD, current FD, we are able to generate RHS means you can eliminate actually. That means that FD is not essential. So this is what step 2 done. So which are all essential? Let us take them separately. So here if you take So essential thing is X determines W, and WZ determines Y, and Y generates Z. Y generates Z. Now in the step 3, what he is saying, RHS side, if you have more than one attribute, LHS side. In the LHS side, if you have more than one attribute, then try to find out the every subset closer, so that if you are able to generate Y, then you can skip that particular, you can take only that particular subset actually. So that is why W closer, let us try to find first. That means Z we skipped. So Z is not there. So in this, WZ generates Y. In this, Z we are skipping. It is not there. So W generates Y. Y generates Z. So this is what the result. And WZ closer is what? WZ closer, W, of course, Z. Of course, here W is there. We must take it. And WZ together generating Y. So this is what actually. So this is the final result. If you observe, without Z, with Z, you are able to generate same thing. That means Z don't have any importance here, because we are generating the same set, right? So that is why we can skip Z from the LHS part. That meaning is this subset you can take in place of this LHS part. In the same way, let us cross check for Z closer also. So if you have Z closer, Z, of course, Y we will get, Y generates Z. But you are unable to generate W actually, only with Z. That means these two are not same. Got it or not? So that is why this subset giving the result, whatever LHS closer giving the result. So that is why in place of this LHS, you can write down W. So the final canonical form is X generate W. Here W generates Y, and Y generates Z. Okay, so this is what the final canonical form. So in this way, very simple manner, we can find out actually. Okay.